Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tobile, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can design for your t-shirts. So whether you want to design it just for your own t-shirts or you want to sell the t-shirts, that's up to you, but I'm just going to show you step by step as to how this can be achieved. So this is the one that we're going to be creating today, and we're going to start off with the design process, and then after that we're going to use a mock-up to actually present our t-shirt as to how it's going to look when somebody is actually wearing the t-shirts. So let's not waste more of your time. Let me just get started with the video. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to your browser, and once you're in your browser you want to search for canva.com. So we're going to be using Canva to design our t-shirts, and you want to make sure that you are signed in with Canva. If not, I'm going to be leaving a link in the description and you can do that for free. And so the next thing that you want to do is you want to come here to the search box and we want to search for t-shirts. So this is going to give us templates which are related to what we are looking for. Since we want to design a t-shirt, so it's going to give us the right dimensions of the design process or the design that we are trying to make. So we're gonna click here on a create a blank t-shirt because we're gonna be creating our own t-shirts from scratch. We're gonna be using our own design. So the next thing that you want to do is so in this case I'm not going to be using any text. I'm just going to be using an image which I'm going to be putting on my t-shirt design. So I'm just going to come here. This is the image that I have downloaded. It's actually a free source actually, so I'm just downloading it here and it's free of charge. So, and as you can see, it's already downloaded, so I'm just gonna click on it, and then as you can see now it's right here, and then I'm gonna try and make it as huge, a bit huge, and then I just want to make it to be like this. Yep, like this should be fine. So you can create your own design. You can see how you can create your own design. You can put any picture that you want to put on your t-shirt, or you can put your logo, you can put your brand, whatever it is that you want to put, that you want to apply on your t-shirt. So I'm just gonna design this real quick as to how I want it to look, and I want it to be like this. Yep, and then I'm just gonna copy this. I duplicate it actually and make it 2, and then I'm gonna make this smaller because I also want to have it somewhere here. I'm just gonna do like this. Can make it smaller, it's fine. Okay, let's see. Yep, so I think this design is actually good. Let me see if I put it backwards. Oh no, it's not nice. Alright, so this is the design that I'm gonna be applying for today's tutorial, and let's just put it like this. Okay, so I think this is cute. So I'm just gonna press Ctrl A. I'm using Windows, and then I'll press Ctrl G, and I'm actually grouping everything together so I can be able to place it however I want. And also when I move it, I want everything to be grouped together so that it doesn't mess up with my design process. So guys, right now the next thing that we need to do is to download this image, and so that we can be able to use it and place it on our t-shirts. So to do that, we're gonna come up here to share, and then we're gonna come here to download. So we also going to be removing the background of this image so that it can have a transparent background. So when it have that transparent background, it really looks nice. Doesn't matter what color of the t-shirt you're going to be using, but it's not going to be having that background, you know, which is going to mess up everything actually. So if you're using Canva Pro, you can just tick here on the transparent background, but for my case I'm using the free version of Canva, so I'm gonna download this and then I'm gonna go and remove its background using another website. So we're gonna click here on download. So we can see that our design is now downloading. It has downloaded from Canva and now it's downloading to our computer. The next thing we want to do, we want to go to this website, which is remove.bg. I'm gonna be leaving all the links in the description below as to ensure that we have access to all of this website. So the next thing we want to do, we want to take the image that we've downloaded and upload it here so that we can remove its background. So this is it. Just gonna drag and drop it here into the website, or you can click on the upload button that was displayed. Okay, so it's removing our background right now, and the background is removed. So as you can see, all this here, it means our background is removed. We're gonna click on the download button so that we can download this picture with the background removed. The final step is we're going to the website called placeit.com, the placeit.net actually. So this website is going to provide us with the free markups so that we can display our t-shirts and actually show it like as to how it's going to look when a person is actually wearing this t-shirt with this kind of design. So the first thing you want to do is you're gonna just type in placeit.net and then it's gonna ask you to sign in. Don't worry, you can sign in for free, and I'm also gonna be leaving a link in the description in below as well. So then you want to come here to the search box and then you want to search for t-shirts markup free. So I've used this before, so it's auto populating it for me. So I'm gonna click on that, and then we're just gonna search for whatever markup that we want to use. So this is the one that I showed you at the beginning of the video, which you're gonna be using, so let's just use it. Okay, so you just click on that design, and then as you can see, it opens up here, and then right here on your left hand side, it's telling you to insert an image, which is uploading your design. So we're gonna upload it from our device, and then this is it. As you can, this one, and it's titled with the remove background on the title of this, because this is the one with the removed background. Make sure that you upload the one with the removed background, and then when I click here on open, and then it's gonna show up. So as you can see, it's giving us a live preview on the side to show us how the design is actually gonna look and how it's actually placed right now. So I just want to try and make it a bit bigger. Let's see, like a bit bigger. Yeah, I think this is fine. So I'm just gonna click here and crop. So as you can see, this is how the design is gonna look. So I'm happy with it. I'm just gonna click here on free download, and then I'll come here again and say free download, and then it's gonna download the image for me. So it's already processing my markup right now, and I want to click here again on it. It's already downloaded from here, and then I'm gonna click on the download again so it can download it on my computer. So the next thing you want to do is you just want to come here on click on open the file, and then this is the final product. So this is how the markup is going to look. You can place it on your website. You can showcase this to people, to your clients if you're going to be selling the t-shirts, or for whatever purpose you're gonna be using it. So this takes us to the end of today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching until now. If you're still watching until this point, please don't forget to like this video, and also don't forget to subscribe on my channel. It's really gonna help in terms of growing my channel. So thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna see you on my next video. Bye.